My name is Emily Stump, and I'm an occupational therapy assistant. So when I started college, I had never heard of occupational therapy. They had a breakout group, and so I went to the OTA breakout group, and from then I just fell in love with it. And so then I decided to get into the program, and here I am now. Here I see kids of all ages and diagnoses on the hour, or multiple kids in an hour, so it keeps it interesting and on my toes, that's for sure. So we work a lot on fine motor skills so that they can play and manipulate and grasp objects to interact with. And we also address their sensory needs. They're working on all the skills without realizing it. They're just having fun. Everyone is very supportive and very helpful. When I started and I had questions, I could talk to anyone. And if they didn't know it, they would point me in the right direction or help me find out the answer. So everyone just really wants you to succeed. So that's really nice to be a part of. I love to read. I read quite a lot, but I also just like to stay active. I play volleyball a couple times a week, so I'm on a co-ed volleyball team. But yeah, just anything to keep me busy.